Hi, so now I'm gonna show you how to add a link to an external page on your post, on your news, on your post. So we're in the dashboard and you see post is highlight, so it displays all the posts that currently live now under Harris Mill Public School. So I'm going to add new. You can add new here. The plus sign here, you can do add new post there, or under the post, under all posts you have add new. So there's many ways that you can use to do a new post. So let's borrow a news from the board. Say Orangeville student raising money for free sculpture. We want to use that, so I highlight that text and I highlight this. I even can highlight. So with the WordPress, I pretty much can copy everything, including the link. Okay, so that link already carry the URL to the external GoFundMe campaign website. But let's pretend that we don't have it. So let's pretend that we don't have that. So remove the link. Now we start fresh. So we're gonna highlight the text and it's search a link. So let's see what link they have. So it GoFundMe, copy that link, paste it here, and you want to open in a new tab, so that way people, the user, when they visit, they click on this link, they don't lose your page. They would the link will open a new window, new tab. Add link. And now before we go publish, you want to choose on home page only, so check news. And the post explorator, I like to make this one go away in April 1st, so I only want to show it in a day, pretty much. Then publish. So now let's go to my homepage, Harris Mill Public School homepage. You see that one, and click to get more detail. Then the URL, the link is there. That's it.